300 more than what it should be.
Yeah, not anymore. It's not.
Yeah.
So, I got Craig Keys to come out and look at the Acura CL with me because I was running out of shit. I was coming down to fuel pressure regulator and fuel pump and some off-the-wall shit for a specific miss. So, I needed another set of eyeballs. He's got eyeballs.
Somewhere.
And so what it looks like is, here, I'll turn you around. Intake manifold gasket failure. Mostly the lowers, but it looks like the ridge that's supposed to be around the upper holes is kind of flattened. And it looks like it's leaking through the EGR passage and the upper intake manifold passage. So, there you go. The free CL now has a legitimate diagnosis. And it'll be 6 days until I get my Chinese parts. So, keep tuned.